Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy zucchini pancakes. I first published this recipe in May 2011, so it's time for an update. These easy zucchini fritter pancakes are a great way to use up all of those summer zucchinis. We'll start by grating the zucchini, and you just do that on a cheese grater, and we're using the big side. So you'll want to grate about 3 cups of zucchini, which will take 3 to 4 zucchinis. Then you'll want to transfer all of your grated zucchini to a large mixing bowl. Today it took about 3 zucchinis to get about 3 cups of grated zucchini. Next, we'll add in a 1/4 cup of minced white onion and about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Now, zucchini already has so much moisture in it, but you want to add a little bit more moisture and a binding agent, so lightly beat 2 eggs and add those in with your zucchini mixture as well. Cheese is also another great binding agent, so I add in 1/2 cup of finely shredded mozzarella cheese, or you could use Parmesan, but I love the gooiness of the mozzarella. Add in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour to help this all stick together, and then a little bit of seasonings. You'll need 1/2 teaspoon of basil, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and my secret ingredient, a little bit of cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper is optional, but it does add a good little kick, which I love. Next, take a spoon and gently stir this all together until the ingredients are fairly evenly distributed. So you basically just stir until there's no more visible patches of that white flour. Then we'll head on over to the stove where I have a large skillet heating over medium-high heat. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of vegetable oil to the hot skillet, and then drop heaping spoonfuls of the zucchini mixture into that hot oil. I do about 3 or 4 at a time and just kind of squish the tops down so that it can cook all the way through. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side and then flip. They should be nicely browned on the bottom. Then once they're cooked on both sides, you will be ready to eat. The pancakes will soak up a little bit of oil, so add a little bit more in between batches. I like to serve mine up hot, topped with a little bit of sour cream. This recipe will make about 12 zucchini pancakes. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.